3, 2, 1.
Hello and God bless all of us. I'm Joshua and welcome to Houmaan Gold Manufacturing and Casting Study Courses.
Hello, I'm Varan and glad to be with you in these courses.
This is a great opportunity to be with you around the world for those who are into this precious industry. I have a good news for you that if you like jewelry or you want to become a jeweler in the future, these are the best and actual courses you got. In these courses, we're going to teach you casting and manufacturing gold from A to Z and share with you our 25 years of experience. And also, we're going to discuss about the issue and challenges and psychology of the market. Here are the topics we're going to discuss about, and I'm going to ask Varan to read them for you.
My pleasure. Design, wax modeling, wax injection, wax tree spooning, 3D printing models, investing the flasks, wax burnout process, investment firing process, gold assaying process, casting process, detesting the flasks, casting cleaning process, acid pickling, vibration process, cutting the sprues, filing and sanding process, polishing process, solder preparation, working with rolling machine, solder process, laser welding process, gold annealing process, enameling process, washing process, and the last one is dry process.
Thank you so much, Varan, for the time you took. Thank you so much that you devoted your valuable time to watch our course's introduction. So I recommend you to stay with us for our first episode, which is about designs. And the last word, the word of God. Walk by faith and not by sight.
Thank you and see you soon in our first study courses.